Hello everyone. Hi, it's CA Priya Jain. So my today's video is just to inform you that in case if anyone amongst you wants any type of career guidance or any academic guidance, then you can contact me. For that, I have registered myself on a portal. The name of portal is Grab Guidance. So now how you can search me over there? You can type Grab Guidance in Google. Click on the first option and then you will find this home page. So they are providing options to these classes or these professional courses or levels. Soon they will be incorporating chartered accountant and company secretary level also. So you can search the option in whatever stream you want any guidance, and you can find a respective faculty in respect of that subject. So what this Grab Guidance is all about? This Grab Guidance is a startup company which is providing two types of benefits to the people who are going to enroll themselves on this portal. You can get a place where you could contact or you could talk to an expert in those situations where you are not finding suitable as what new course should I start or in which stream should I move my career into. Also, if you want any type of academic guidance, like for example, if you are a MBA student and you want to study a specific topic, but for that specific topic you don't want to go to any institute or any tuition center, then what you could do, you could register yourself as a student on this portal, and then you can select the respective faculty who is expert in that streamline, in that subject, and you can book your session over there. After booking a session, a day will be finalized. On that day you can interact with that faculty and ask all your doubts. So now just let me give you a glimpse about this Grab Guidance. This Grab Guidance is a marketplace for experts and learners for academic and career guidance need. They will provide you end-to-end solutions. They will contact and they will connect you to the right expert and with perfect support. So you can find qualified experts on this portal. You can find solutions to all your problems, and even you can book small sessions of like 15 minutes or 40 minutes or half an hour or an hour and so on. So these are the sample topics which they have shown you, that you can find a faculty of science also over here, mathematics, social science, chemistry, taxation, financial management, marketing management, digital marketing and so on. So now how it will work? You will search for an expert after logging on this portal. First of all, you have to sign up over here, and then you can search for an expert. You can book a session with the expert, and then you can enjoy a live meeting with that expert person. What they say about us? So these are the opinions of some of the students who have enrolled over here and who have taken the expertise of some of the experts. So this is for the persons who want to get into it, that is who want to enroll themselves over here. So now once you will get enrolled over here, like for schools and colleges, you can sign up over here and then you can talk to the expert. Now just let me take you to my profile, that is my account. One OTP will come onto my cell phone. So it's and see, this is my profile. Since I have created my account over here just 2 days before, and therefore we are not able to find any rating or any reviews over here. So in my last 2 days I inquired around 14 people have taken guidance, and then I have given time slots also over here, like on Monday I'm available from 6 to 7. You can ask me expert advice on these topics like taxation, financial management, financial accounting, also on strategic management, but that subject is not listed till now over here, and there are some details of mine which are available over here. So by this you can contact me now on Grab Guidance also. That's it for today. Thank you.